Now, needing at least 2 goals to have any chance of progressing to the semi-finals of the CONCACAF Nations League, the Reggae Boyz have been boosted by the return of winger Demarai Gray. Gray, who missed Saturday's 2-1 defeat to Canada at the National Stadium due to a leg injury, was back in training today ahead of tomorrow's encounter at the BMO Field in Toronto. Along with Gray's return, Michael Antonio, who picked up a knee injury, has been replaced by Deshane Beckford.
I mean, unfortunately, we lost 2-1. I think the guys played well. Minor lapses, but at the end of the day, it's a two-way series, so we just have to go out there and get a result, and win the game. It's straightforward. We're going to be away, they're saying the Lions then, but at the end of the day, we know we have to score 2 goals in order to progress to the semi-final, so that's the main focus.
And the quarterfinal losers will still have a chance to qualify for the Copa America via a single-match elimination play-in in March that will decide the 2 remaining slots for CONCACAF entries.
It's a massive opportunity for us, and the way that the game was left, it can make the victory even sweeter for us. So we just need to get our heads down, do what we do. We know how to play against them, how to hurt them, and hopefully we can.
The match kicks off at 7:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Last time Jamaica played the Canadians away, they were drubbed 4-0.